Christmas Eve turkey.
Yeah. It's
Here.
some.
So you brined it, and it's not smoked.
Brined it.
Can I have that drumstick?
Whatever you want.
Totally
There's
into
two
a
of them.
drumstick.
Yeah, I brined this, so I started it yesterday.
And then we got some stovetop stuffing over there.
Sorry.
Wendy's stovetop stuffing.
No, I do
That's
everything
Wendy's. That's all homemade, everything. Wendy will not let me buy stuffing, even though they had it on sale. She would not let me bring it into the house.
You make your own.
Wendy makes everything herself, even the brine.
Brining the turkey, I can see how moist it is.
This is the gravy. That's off, and it's still boiling.
The white meat is nice and moist.
And there's something cooking there, too. That's soup. Krista made some soup.
Just pureed a bunch of veggies. So we're going to have like
Mashed
a
potatoes.
soup, homemade cranberries,
And you know what?
Apricot.
We're actually having another turkey on Thursday, aren't we? We're having a smoked turkey.
This is Krista, Joe, and
I'm
Wendy.
gonna try some of this.
And then we got Lola, granddaughter, Krista's daughter. Isn't that nice? Nice and moist.
Mm-hmm.
That's what happens when you brine it. The salt, it just holds in all that moisture.
That turkey was only $10.
Yeah. Ooh.
It's good. Yeah, the brining makes a difference.
Oh, it does. Once you brine a turkey, you'll never have turkey.
And if you try smoked turkey, you'll be amazed how good that is too. In the stuffing, there's a mixed mash of everything. There's onions, and there's water chestnuts, and there is mushrooms, and well, you made the stuffing too.
I did.
That's really good turkey. Anyway, Merry Christmas to everybody out there.
Yeah.
From our island in the North Pacific to wherever you
know what,
are.
we're just gonna help ourselves.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a buffet.
Tonight.
It's a Christmas buffet. And that gravy's going to be awesome. And Krista's soup's going to be awesome. I tried some of that already. It's very nice.
On the 28th, we'll do, you know what, might even just do help ourselves on the 28th too.
Yep. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yum.
Meli Kaliki Maka.